Hello, Eckhart at the Academy of Visual Arts in Hong Kong. This is the next stage of me modeling this head. It's a few weeks in now where I can sort of continue with how to model and cast something in clay, starting from an inner steel structure, filling it up, covered in clay. Last time I explained how to model things. So just to recap, I like to keep things quite rough because then you have the chance to make more informed changes when you are in the plaster stage, because the plaster stage will also be worked over. So now here a quick explanation how to separate the mold. So I will make a negative cast in plaster. So I will cover this entire head with a thick layer of plaster, but I will separate it probably just into two halves. Yeah. So I will have a separation along here, and I will cast this in two parts. So I have two parts of molds. I can take it away, take the clay out, put these in, and then fill the mold again with plaster, and then I can continue to work on the plaster. So there are various ways to do that. You can make a clay wall. For quicker use, you can actually use thin strips of metal, which I have pre-prepared. So you usually mark a sort of a line. Let's come a little bit closer with the camera, and you could just kind of mark it. Probably go along here. And it's not too bad if this line is not straight, because you want interlocks, yeah? And what you do is you push your metal in, and then you just finish this all along the way. And underneath I have now a piece of metal, so I need to make a few changes. All you have to make sure that this is reasonably, so this will be the thickness of your mold. Important is also to make what I call locks. You probably need, I don't know, the more the merrier, but I will probably make about 3 to 5, 4 locks. So something like this. So you stick this in. So when you have two molds, if they're too flat, they can miss the line. So you need these locks where they basically lock in with each other. So you have a solid mold. Yeah. So I will continue this all along, and then I will probably go and explain how to mix plaster and how to start the casting process. Okay, you stop the camera now.